order shows its face. I look inward, not away. I don't place the weight of blame on some distant power unnamed. What I meet was shaped within. Through imbalance I stayed in. Not as punishment or test, but a signal to correct. I return to steady ground, where awareness can be found. I restored my inner balance, and conditions realigned. What I once called opposition was a signal from the mind. No force working against me, no judgment from above, only thought seeking a center through awareness and resolve. And though it drifts into excess, pressure forms and shows distress, not from malice or design.